post something. And it, of course, here we go. My troublemakers can't stop fighting. They can't. What should I do? Oh my God, it's unbelievable. I wanna cry. So as I said, let's pretend I'm here, a fan. Let's be delusional. And I'll post a fan. As you can see in the beginning of the video, I'm making pork chop. And for a fact, it's my first time, guys. Am I proud of myself or not? We shall see. For this recipe, I personally use garlic powder, ail en poudre, pork seasoning, assaisonnement de porc, pepper, poivre, salt, sel, persil, basil leaves, feuilles de basilic, crushed garlic, écrasé, Asian spice, it's a must, épices haïtiens, vinaigre, and bay leaves, feuilles de laurier. And then I put thyme, qui c'est thym, not thyme. Les personnes qui disent thyme là, please, c'est thym. Est-ce que vous entendez? Thym. Est-ce que vous entendez? Thym. Pas thyme. Thank you. For the final touch, before being cooked, I give them a massage. Do you see it? They deserve that. Wow. I season both ways of the pork chops. It's all done. I'm crazy. And that's when I personally love putting the bay leaves, qui c'est feuilles de laurier, vinaigre, butter, beurre. And then the thyme, qui c'est sans puis le monde remet les thyme, mais qui c'est pas thyme, qui c'est thym. C'est thym. Oh my God, check the bloody pork chop. Tout pale m'tap pale yo la. M'pout ko j'en mette ten, non? Kadon koze. I can't stop yapping. And yes, I finally put the thyme. Good God, do you see that? Do you see that? You know what? I'm just letting you judge my skills. I'm just letting you judge this. You know what? I'm done. It's not